Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we're talking about something cool. This is a sponsored video and my sponsor wanted me to show you PowerDeWise. It's a great lavalier mic. We're going to test it out. We're going to see the sound quality and see what you think. Honest reviews every time, all the time. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I really appreciate you checking this out. Hopefully you like the content. Okay, let's take a look at this. It's a 3.5 millimeter jack. It's got a 6.5 foot cord.
What's in the box?
It's a nice box. Let's open it up. Oh, that's nice. Comes in a nice little package like this. Oh wow, that's cool. It's got a little fridge magnet in there. See? Register your 1-year warranty. Pretty cool. This is a nice bag. Words can change lives. Record them perfectly. PowerDeWise for easy vlogging. Inside the handy little bag. Alright. This is a very, very nice outfit. Okay, first off, looks like gold-plated plugs. You've got the regular end that you can use here. This one for the external jack. This one that plugs in. With the lavalier lapel mic. And it looks like we even have another one inside here. Let's open this up. In this very nice little bag. Oh, that's nice of them. Wow, great job, PowerDeWise. I'm impressed already. How cool. They even give you two little extra like wind socks you can put over the mic. And another short one. You know, that way if you're hooking up like a vlog camera or something like that. Alright, I'm going to connect this to the camera and you'll hear the sound quality difference first there. Okay, this is me testing my voice without the lavalier mic. Testing without the lavalier mic connected. Okay, this is me recording with the lavalier mic. Once again, this is the sound of my voice recording on the lavalier mic right there. Okay, boys and girls, you heard for yourself, with and without the mic. Okay, in full disclosure, I was not paid to do this. They did send me a free mic to test. My final thoughts, if you're into vlogging or you're going to be doing interviews with other people, it's a great mic for you. For me personally, no. No. I will go ahead and leave the link for them on Amazon if you want to check it out. I don't get paid either way.
Bye, bye, bye.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Hey, for more great budget gaming tech, click right up here. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet and you like the content, smash right there for me and subscribe so you don't miss any great videos coming. I'll meet you there.